Be honest. If you had to choose just 8 exercises for the rest of your life, would your body still grow? Would you stay strong, athletic, powerful? Most people overcomplicate fitness. Fancy machines, complicated splits, endless variations. But the truth is this: if you master the right body weight movements, you can build a strong, muscular, balanced physique anywhere. Today, I'm giving you 8 bodyweight exercises everyone should do. These hit every major muscle group. No gym required. Let's get into it. First, push-ups. This is the foundation of upper body strength. Push-ups build your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core if done correctly. But most people do them wrong. Keep your body straight. Core tight. Control the lowering. Explode up. Master standard push-ups, then progress to decline or diamond variations. Second, pull-ups. If push-ups are the king of pushing, pull-ups are the king of pulling. They build your back width, biceps, rear shoulders, and grip strength. A strong back changes your entire physique. If you can't do one yet, start with negatives or assisted reps. Earn your strength. Third, squats. Squats are non-negotiable. They build quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even core stability. Don't just bend your knees, sit back, keep your chest tall, and drive through your heels. Master bodyweight squats, then slow them down or add pause reps for intensity. Fourth, lunges. Lunges fix imbalances. They build single-leg strength, improve balance, and seriously activate your glutes. Forward, reverse, or walking lunges all work. Control every step. Feel the burn. Fifth, dips. Dips carve your chest and triceps like few other exercises can. They provide a deep stretch and powerful contraction. Use parallel bars or even a sturdy bench. Lower under control. Push up strong. This is upper body power. Sixth, pike push-ups. Most people neglect vertical pushing strength. Pike push-ups target your shoulders intensely and build overhead strength. Think of them as a stepping stone to handstand push-ups. Strong shoulders change your entire upper frame. Seventh, glute bridges. If you sit a lot, you need this. Glute bridges activate and strengthen your glutes, protect your lower back, and improve athletic power. Squeeze at the top. Don't rush the reps. Strong glutes means stronger everything. Eighth, planks. Simple, brutal, effective. Planks build deep core stability. Not just visible abs, but real strength that supports every movement you do. Keep your hips level. Brace your core. Breathe under tension. Now here's the truth. These 8 exercises cover push, pull, squat, hinge, lunge, core stability, and shoulder strength. That means full body development. No muscle left behind. But exercises alone don't build a great body. Consistency does. Progression does. Effort does. Don't just go through the motions. Slow the reps down. Increase time under tension. Add pauses. Master your body before you chase heavy weights. If you can control your body in space, you are strong. Period. Start with these 8. Build your foundation. Get stronger every week. And remember, simple works. If you commit to mastering the basics, your body will transform. Now the question is, are you ready to build real strength using nothing but your body? Let's go.